going on, YouTube? Back with another one. I do some fuel filters on the old Cummins. She's due for some. I got the Wicks filters here for the Fass fuel system. Got the water separator, fuel separator. I got my Fass lift pump right here. Just unscrew them off, drain them out. You spin the new ones back on, and sometimes you might have to bleed the system. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Stay tuned. 2001 Dodge Cummins 24 valve. Fuel filter change on the old Cummins. We're gonna do one first. Do one at a time here. What you wanna do is just spin them off. I'll get a little close, cameraman. Spin this one off real quick. Let it drain right in there. Let it just drain out. I got a warranty on these, so I'm gonna take them back, get my money back, because they're, you know what I mean, they're dripping. And this one's gonna be the fuel and water separator, part number 33405 for the 100 GPH Fass titanium fuel pump, lift pump. So I like to do one at a time, let that drain for a minute, because you don't want to mix these up. Which one's that? That's the one. Same one you need. One in a minute. Alright, you want to unwrap this boy real quick. Make sure no plastic got caught up in there. You got another ring right here, O-ring. You can change them out or change them every other one, but I might just change it out because I got it, you know what I mean? Here's a freshie. Make sure your bottom drain bolt is tight before you throw it on. Some people like to put a little diesel right around the rim here, get it lubricated. You know what I mean? 1 second here, boss. I want to just pull that old ring off. You can get to it, I got it. Alright, pull that one right off. Old one. Still good, I'd keep that old ring in case of a rainy day, you got one leaking on you. And this one you just want to throw it on, like so. Might be a pain in the ass, but I'll put the freshie on there. Might smell like diesel for a week, but that's what comes with owning these big bad boys. Let me tell you something. Fuck, can we get all the way down there? 1 second there, boss. Show you guys what I'm doing real quick. Got that O-ring right here. I just took the new one off. You want to get it all the way flush up to the top of this. I'm gonna keep going a little bit. I got some more to go. If you get it up there, you got to get it all the way up there. And you put your new one on. 1 second here until I get to throw this on. There we go. She's on there. Boom, boom. Wipe your hands off. I need excess diesel on your hands. I'm going to grab your freshie here. Water separator. Fuel and water separator. Make sure you got the right one. You don't throw just the fuel one on the wrong side, because you might have some problems. What you want to do here, you just straight throw it on. There you go. Wipe her off, make sure you don't got no leakage. Alright, we got this one on, nice and sealed tight. Tighten it until it stops leaking, and it's A1. You can't tighten it no more, hand tight. Then go ahead and pull this one off, the same thing. Pull it off, let it drain. Throw the new one on, you should be good to go. Pull this one off. See, they're hand tight, pretty easy. Here she goes. ripping the mini bikes, you know, father and son. That's what we like to see out here in the streets, boys. Let that drain for a minute. There's your fuel filter, straight fuel filter. Let it drain for a second. See, this one got the seal. No, it don't got no seal. This one don't have a seal up top. Only that one does. Your water and fuel separator. Pull this one out. You got the main seal on it. Fuel filter match up same part number 33352 for the fuel. 33405 for the fuel and water separator. Come right here. Pull her off. Oh, we got Granny walking by. Hang on, man. Make sure you don't got nothing inside of it. Pull it off there, shake her out. Grab a little bit of that, a little bit of diesel, rub her on the sides. Make sure she's lubricated. We like our women lubricated. Don't cross thread nothing. Ease her on. Spin her on like so. We got the Wix filters here. About 45 bucks for both of them at your O'Reilly's. AutoZone don't carry them because they're trash. The better you get it tight, you ain't gonna have no fuel issues. Ain't gonna be no air in your lines. Wipe your hands, wipe everything down. Get it right. Now we got the old ones off like I just showed you guys. The new one's hooked up, nice and hand tight, as tight as you can get them. We're gonna come over here. Now when you crank, you want to turn your key a few times, let it cycle, let the fuel get to your lift pump. And if it doesn't start like I'm going to show you, you're going to crack 1, 3, and 4 injector line. Skip number 2, go to 3 and 4. So go crack 1, crack 3 and 4, crank it until you start seeing fuel shoot out of each line, and then tighten each one down the row. And it should fire right up and start clean idling. You should be good to go. Let's check her out. Let's see if I can fire her up. See if she a fire. YouTube. We're gonna get some fuel going through the lines. So what you want to do is keep cranking your key. Let the fuel go to your lift pump. Do this a few times. Get her primed. You want to prime it. Want to prime her a few times. Get her going. It's a little dusty in here. Let's see if she cranks. She might run out, we're gonna see. She just died, you see that? She just died. Now we gotta bleed the system. And what you wanna do here, gotta crack the injector lines, baby. Gotta crack the injector lines and shut this off. Give her a few more. Now what we're gonna do here is crack some lines. Alright, what you wanna do is crack your first one. This is a 19 mil. Crack number 1. Crack number 1. Hold, come on this side, John. Show them what's going on. We're gonna crack number 1 real quick. Get some fuel to the injectors. They just went dry. Sucked everything through the system. Now we got air in it, right? So we're gonna open these up just a little bit. You don't gotta go all the way. It's enough to get fuel flying through them. Now we're gonna go back here. So this is number 1 injector. Go to number 3. Skip 2. Go to 3. Now we're back. We're gonna keep cranking until you get fuel. I can crank it a few times. Keep going. We're getting a little fuel back there. Keep cranking her, hold on. Let me open these lines a little better. 1 second. Here we go. Second crank. Go ahead. Let me tighten this back one real quick. We're getting fuel in the back line. Go ahead. Back to normal, boys. Just crack them injectors until they start bleeding out the fuel. Start tightening them up. Fires right up. Leaking. Good to go. Sounds like it's in. Pickup bench is sounding great. Everything, all the air is out of the system. There you go. How to put on fuel and water separator, fuel filters. Really easy to do. Step by step, you're good to go. There she is, boys. Back in action. Now we should be able to come right up in here. No lights on the dash. Like a brand new truck. No problem. Fuel response is nice. Beautiful, ready to go. Let's go, boys. Easy install today. Fucking Christ, Johnny, you wanna blow this bitch up, dude? She's ready to rip, boys.